Hey, what is going on everybody? I'm Riz and you're watching the YouTube guide. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can make awesome thumbnails for your YouTube videos in under 1 minute. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? So let's just dive right into it. Oh, before we dive into it, just a reminder that be sure to subscribe and like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, or you can follow me on Instagram or Twitter, as you can see on your screen. So now it's time to jump in. All right, so for this tutorial, I'm gonna be using the same thumbnail that I'm gonna create for this video. And we're not gonna be using any tools except for one website. It's called Pixlr or Pixlr. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's free. I'll link that website in the description box below. So just follow my steps and you're ready to go. All right, so now we have to do two things. First off, just go to the website. And now we have to do two things here. First off, we have to tweak your image to make it look awesome, you know, make it pop a little bit. So the first thing you want to do is to click on open image, or you can just drag it. In this case, I'm gonna drag it. Hold on. So I've got an image. This is me, my image, my photo. So I have to tweak it a little bit. So just go to the adjustment. You can just change the colors. You can change the light as well. Just tweak it however you like. I would suggest to make it more a little bit, you know, pop into the detail section. Just make it sharp a little bit. Make it clear as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Plays for me. That's it. I don't have to do anything. You can also just apply filters as well. So you got tons of them. I like this one. This is matte. It looks awesome. Looks cool. All right, now to the fun part. Now you have to do is to go to the text. And you have a lot of templates for free. So what I like to use more often is the one with the boxes. It's called Fashion Sale. Now you can just individually use each one of these however you like. So I'm gonna just drag it right here, type it, awesome. And now just make it bigger to pop and just make it look awesome. Now you can play with it. You can change the text color. You can also you can choose from any text you like. I like this one better. And you can also change the color, make it red, you know, it pops a little bit more. Now this is the first part. Now you have to do is just save the image, make sure it's high quality, high as possible. Just download the image. Now once you have the image downloaded, now on to the second part. Now just refresh it. Now you don't need to open the image. Instead, we're gonna use the create new. And now you have to type the width, 1280 by 720. That's the YouTube size that's the YouTube thumbnail size. And now what you wanna do is to drag that image onto it. Now, if you see this, it's really big, right? So you have to play with it a little, make it look awesome. Now right here, I think it should fine. As you can see, this part is the image as well. If I see, it's quite big. So just make it relevant, you know, just cut out cut out the parts that you really don't want. So this is it. I like this one. This is that's pretty much it. Just click on save and just make sure it's high quality as possible. So click on download and there you have it. By the way, if the download doesn't start automatically, you can just right click on the save as and just click on save link as, and that's gonna save your photo. So this is it. It took me about 1 minute, I think. Yeah, it should take one about. So this is it. I'm Riz. Thank you for watching, and you got awesome thumbnails. And that's pretty much it. By the way, if you liked the video, be sure to subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely get back to you as soon as I can. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.